Good morning, friends. I'd like to thank all the participants and the organizers and the referees and the court owners for presenting the court for us. Thank you one and all. And let's go for the presentation. And we'll have a special gift for our senior most player, Mr. Shivaguru. The person at the age of 65, participating in all the tournaments and playing regularly. He is a motivation for us. And thank you, Shivaguru Mama, for motivating all of us. Thank you. And now I call upon Mr. Ravi. Mr. Ravi, please come forward. Mr. Ravi, please come forward. Yeah. Mr. Ravi, please give the trophy to the senior most player, Mr. Shivaguru. Thank you, Shivaguru Mama. Thank you, Ravi. Thanks a lot. And now I like to call B team runners, Mr. Yahya Bhai and Sendil. And I like to invite Hamid. Yeah, I like to invite Hamid and Masood Bhai to give the trophies to the runners, Yahya Bhai and Yahya Bhai and Sendil. Congratulations, runners, and thank you, the chief guest. And now I call upon A team runners, Subbu and Sai. And I call upon Madan and Vignesh. I call upon Madan and Vignesh to give away the trophies to B team runners, A team runners, Sai and Subbu. Congratulations, runners. Thank you, Vignesh. Thank you, Madan. And now I invite B team winners, Mr. Challappa and Patish. B team winners. And now I call upon Dalachami and Galachami and Harivel to give away trophies to B team winners, Chalapa and Pratish. Congratulations, winners. Thank you, Harivel and Galachami. And now I call upon A team winners, Varun and Harish. I invite Saravana Perumal and Ravi. Saravana Perumal and Ravi. Saravana Perumal and Ravi to give away the trophies to the winners, Varun and Harish. Thank you. Thanks to. First, let's have a group.